Filipiniana dress, the Balintawak. So nice. For linggo ng makeup for our students. Balintawak dress. The color blue is beautiful and the red here. Look at this. There's a set of Filipiniana. No, picture. And there is ethnic dress. Ethnic dress is available. So nice here in this boutique. Our national costume is here available. So look here. Tingnan niyo bootleg yan eh. How much this one? Oh, na jumpsuit. Some boutiques. But the available here is the ethnic dress, Filipiniana dress. I really like this one. Look at this Filipiniana dress. Balintawak. This also. It's available Filipiniana. Cariñosa. Cariñosa dress. And there is available a buko here. Our native buko. Available here. Buko. Hello everyone, there is buko here. Hi. Yes, here. Kagayawan. Native costume. I like it here. And it's a beautiful Balintawak dress. Thanks for watching, guys.